In this video, let's see how to create a new ledger entry and manage payment vouchers. Click on the Ledgers option from Accounts in the navigation bar. Click on the Add New button to create a new ledger entry. Enter the ledger name in the Ledger Name field in the modal. Enter the required group information in the Group field in the form. Click on the Add button in the modal to save the new ledger. Click the Cancel button in the modal to close form. Within the ledger list section, the utility item has been generated and is now displayed. Select Payments from the Accounts drop-down menu in the navigation bar. Click the New Payment button in the Payment List section. Select Cash from the Account drop-down list. Select Utility from the drop-down options. Provide the required amount. Click the Add button to save the payment voucher details. Press the Cancel button in the payment voucher to exit. Click the Print Payment icon corresponding to a payment entry in the payment list. Review the payment information provided in print. Navigate to the Reports section and select Daily Status Report from the drop-down menu. Click on the Report button in the Daily Status Report to generate the report. Review the Expenses section in the Daily Status Report for any discrepancies. As a result, the payments and expenses have been recorded in the accounts.